Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indah, a student of Jakarta State University Marketing Management Study Program. I will present the result of the field work practice report carried out at the Industry and Trade Office of Banyumas Regency. In the current era of globalization, the development of IKM in Indonesia is quite rapid. Until now, the number of IKM in Indonesia exceeds 4.4 million business units or reach 99% of all industrial business units in the country. In helping the local government work, the Banyumas Regency Industry and Trade Office assists local IKM business actors in introducing or promoting their products. In introducing a product, the role of needed marketing communication is: marketing communication is a means used by companies to inform, pursue, and remind consumers directly and indirectly. The reason the practitioner chooses the industry and trade service as a place for field work practice is because the practitioner is interested in studying and helping the government in efforts to develop IKM in Banyumas Regency. Practitioner carry out street vendors on September 7, 2020 to October 30, 2020, with working days Monday to Friday. For 40 days during field work practice, the practitioner is placed in the trade sector. The practitioner gets direct guidance by Mr. Waryanto and Mrs. Supri Andayani as the trade sector staff with the following tasks. 1. Preparing a letter of recommendation for purchasing certain chips or fuel. 2. Create an incoming mail agenda and disposition. 3. Prepare and participate in Instagram live streaming activities and Facebook Pemasaran venues. 4. Assisting the implementation and participation of the IKM exhibition activities in the districts. 5. Assisting in the implementation of the 2020 Jakarta Marketing Week virtual exhibition. 6. Becoming a host in the virtual Jakarta Marketing Week 2020 exhibition. First assignment: creating a recommendation letter for purchasing certain types of fuel. In the implementation of this work, it is practicable to make a letter of recommendation for purchasing certain types of fuel for business actor in Banyumas Regency. Practitioner get data from business actor or consumer from the archive of previous months owned by the trade sector. This data contain names of business actor, business addresses, type of business, total needs for certain types of fuel per week, days of operation of work, and price where certain types of fuel are collected. After getting the data, the practitioner input data via Microsoft Word. Next, the practitioner checks the data input. If it is complete and correct, the letter is printed. After printing, the letter is signed by the head of trade. After that, a letter is given the secretariat to be given a letter number. Furthermore, the letter is given to certain types of fuel consumed. Second assessment: make an incoming mail agenda and its position. In this case, the practitioner is given the task of writing an incoming letter and disposing it. Incoming letter from outside parties will be written in the incoming mail book. Information written in the incoming mail book consists of agenda number, letter number, date of incoming letter, origin of the letter, and subject of the letter. After the information is filled in the incoming mail book, the practitioner disposes the letter in the disposition sheet. The information written on the disposition sheet consists of the origin of the letter number, the date of the letter, the date of the receipt of the incoming letter, the agenda number, the nature of the letter, to whom the letter is forwarded, and subject of the letter incoming. And then the incoming letter, which has been accompanied by a disposition sheet, will be forwarded to the head of the trade sector and then initialed. Third assignment: preparing and participating in live broadcasting activities Instagram and Facebook Pemasaran Banyumas at Din Perindak. The live broadcast activities of Instagram, and Facebook Pemasaran Banyumas are activities that are routinely carried out by the trade sector every week. This activity is usually held twice a week. The purpose of holding this activity is a forum for IKM business actors in Banyumas Regency to introduce and promote their products. The practitioner is given the task of preparing and following live broadcasts on Instagram and Facebook at Pemasaran Banyumas. Before the event begins, the practitioner asks for data from business actors who will follow the broadcast. The data requested are the name of the business actor, business address, type, and name of the product being sold, and telephone number. Next, practice with the other staff to prepare the equipment needed for live, such as cell phones, laptops, tables, and chairs. After everything is ready, then log in to the Instagram and Facebook accounts of Pasarewang Banyumas and go live started. The things that were discussed during the live broadcast were about the name of the product being sold, the reason why business actors sold the product, what was the manufacturing process, what the advantage of the product were, how to market it, and where to get the product. Furthermore, in the last session, there was product sample testing. In this case, the practitioner is given the opportunity to take on the role of marketing communication to assist business actor in promoting their products. Practicant test the product brought by the business actor, then the practitioner tries to inform and persuade consumer directly to buy products from the IKM business actor. After the product testing session, the live broadcast ended. For a statement, assisting the implementation and participation of IKM exhibition activities in the sub-districts. One of the activities in the context of realizing these efforts is the IKM exhibition activity held in the sub-district. In this exhibition, there was also a live broadcast on Instagram and Facebook at Pasarewang Banyumas. In this case, the practitioner is given the task of helping the implementation of the IKM exhibition activities in Batik Raja districts. This activity was attended by several IKM business actors, ranging from the batik and food industry. Practitioner with several other staff visited the Batik Raja district office. Then the practitioner helped prepare the equipment needed for the live broadcast of Instagram and Facebook Pasarewang Banyumas. After that, the practitioner records the IKM that will participate in the live broadcast and makes their sequence numbers. The live broadcast is divided into 4 sessions, and one session consists of 5 to 6 IKM. Then the practitioner is appointed to be an Instagram operator whose job is to answer comments from live broadcast viewers. Fifth achievement, assisting in the implementation of the Jakarta Marketing Week 2020 virtual exhibition. Jakarta Marketing Weeks, or JMW, is an annual event organized by Marketplace. In 2020, Jakarta Marketing Week events are held virtually via the Hopin app. This event brings together marketing enthusiasts from among artists, business people, and also government circles. The Banyumas Regency government is one of the participants of the Jakarta Marketing Week 2020. On the first day of the Jakarta Marketing Week 2020 virtual exhibition, the practitioner was given the task of managing the attendance list of exhibitors from Banyumas Regency and appointed to be the operator of the Hopin application. First, practice logging in the Hopin application via the link provided by Marketplace. Then enter booth room the Banyumas Regency government Marketplace had previously made. While being an operator, the practitioner is tasked with confirming the account that will visit the booth Banyumas Regency government, sharing screen video or other text, and replying to comment and chat with visitors. In addition, in the column the chat practitioner also informed the contact person of IKM business actor who participated in the exhibition. In carrying out this task, the practitioner has a little difficulty because this is the first time the practitioner is taking part in an exhibition event that is held virtually using the Hopin application. As a result, they are still not familiar with the technical use of the Hopin application. To solve this problem, the practitioner asked Marketplace by telephone. Another obstacles in the problem of a less stable internet connection. A segment being a host in the virtual exhibition of Jakarta Marketing Week 2020. On the third day, Jakarta Marketing Week Virtual Exhibition 2020 event is on September 18, 2020. Practitioner given the opportunity to be a host to guide this virtual exhibition event held directly at the Dinperindak office. In this case, the practitioner is given the task to host the Jakarta Marketing Week 2020 virtual exhibition. First, the practitioner asks for data on IKM business actors who are participating in the exhibition. The data requested are the name of the business actor, business addresses, and type and name of the product being sold, and telephone number. Furthermore, the practitioner conduct a briefing with a mentor. Matter discussed in the briefing were about what business actors should acts and procedures for delivering good material. After that, the practitioner shares with IKM business actor, sharing teams to get to know the AKM business actors and about the products they sell. After sharing their live broadcast begins. Practitioners help IKM to introduce their products to the wider community through this exhibition. From the knowledge of marketing communication that has been learned while in college, the practitioner tries to apply it on this occasion. In implementing street vendor for 2 months, the practitioner experienced various problems in several activities. The obstacles experienced by the practitioner during street vendors include: 1. At the beginning of the Pkl implementation, the practitioner was not placed in a field related to the practical study program, namely marketing. And 2. Computer that has problems due to a virus, resulting in the practitioner having to repeat the same job on another computer. 3. Lack of practical experience in public speaking. To overcome the obstacles that the practitioner experienced during street vendors, the practitioner made several efforts, namely: 1. The practitioner takes the initiative to ask the head of the secretariat to be transferred to the trade sector so that the work carried out is in accordance with the practical study program. Initiative is a person's ability to produce something new or produce a solution to a problem. Individuals who have the initiative can immediately see problems that arise and find solutions to problems that occur. The solution is done immediately so that the problem can be solved immediately. 2. Practice using a personal laptop that is free from virus so that the document that has been worked on is not lost, so it does not take time to do it twice. Individuals who have the initiative are always looking for new breakthroughs to improve work results without waiting for instruction from their superiors or leaders. And 3. Practitioner asks the mentor about how to speak publicity. In addition, the practitioner also continues to practice independently to improve the skills of public speaking the practitioner. During conducting street vendors at the Banyumas Regency Industry and Trade Service, the practitioner can draw several conclusions, including: 1. Activities carried out by the trade sector and an effort to create a strong, competitive, and independent business industry and trade, namely by conducting various SME training. In addition, the Indah also participates in various exhibition events, marketing, both locally and nationally, in sporting promotional activities carried out by a local AKM business actor. Indah conducts live broadcasts on social media such as Facebook and Instagram. 2. Knowing the types of business in Banyumas Regency and the cost of using BBM per month. And 3. Knowing IKM products originating from Banyumas Regency, starting from the handicraft and food industry sector, such as Banyumas batik, eco-print leather shoes, coconut sugar, ginger sticks, pulmonary chips, and others. I think enough. I hope it is useful for you all. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.